Fashion Design Basics. The Blocks, Part 7. Straighten the skirt draft for the trouser block. Click the info button for the skirt draft tutorial. The skirt block is the foundation of many designs. Straightening the block will correct the angle of the centre back seam for trousers. Trace the skirt block onto a fresh sheet of pattern paper. Ignore the waist darts, but trace through the side seam, yoke, hip and knee lines. Cut out and separate the front and back. Place the front and back on a fresh sheet of paper, lining up all construction lines. For a trouser draft, leave 5 inches, 13 centimetres or so to the right, 3 inches, 7.5 centimetres or so above, and enough in the length for a trouser draft. The centre front needs to be parallel to the right-hand edge of the paper. Pin, tape, or as I'm likely to do, use weights to hold the front skirt draft in place. Draw around the front skirt only. We will rotate the back skirt around the point just below the hip level, overlapping at knee level. With the back skirt anchored with the point of a pencil, rotate the block overlapping at the knee line by 3/4 of an inch, 2 centimetres. Trace around the back skirt section. Use the tracing wheel to transfer the yoke and hip lines. This is now ready to develop further into the trouser block. For future use of the straightened skirt block, trace onto manila card or a fresh sheet of paper. Label the block with the title, Straightened Skirt Block, add the size, measurements and date. See the info button for the link to continue with the trouser draft. Links will also be listed below this video on YouTube. You will find all drafting videos in the Fashion Design playlist. And of course you will find everything on angelakane.com. Look for my ebooks for in-depth tutorials covering drafting variations and grading. Thank you for watching this video.